I'm Betsy Edwards, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a faulty shelf in less than 10 minutes. This happened the other day and stopped me in my tracks while working on a project, and I needed to get it fixed quickly so I could keep moving. The first thing I do when working on a project is pull together the tools I need. I found 2 pieces of wood, 1/2 inch by 1.5 inch, using one of them to measure the length. Then I took both pieces, placing the marked one on top, and cut them simultaneously with the miter saw. To ensure the wood does not split when I fasten with the screws, I pre-drilled 3 holes. I knew pre-drilling is an extra step, but in my experience I've learned it's better to pre-drill than be frustrated when the wood splits and you have to recut another piece. Next, install the first support and fasten one end with a screw, placing the top edge where you want the bottom of the shelf to be positioned. Position a level along the bottom of the support, push up until the support is level front to back, and secure in the middle. Then secure the remaining fastener. Install support on the opposite side, positioning the level on top of both supports to ensure alignment, then secure one end. Finish fastening the second support in the same fashion as you did the first, and then do a final level check. Since this cabinet is old and warping, I built up the support on the right side with an extra piece to allow for an additional 1/2 inch bearing of the shelf. And then I put the shelf back in place. I banged on it a little to make sure it was secure and could support a good amount of weight without failing. And voila, we are back in business.
Thank you for watching. If you want to see my next project, please make sure that you hit like, subscribe, and notification.